Lead the Army with discipline and integrity. Uphold the Constitution. Protect the trust of the Filipino people. Ensure that every personnel and every unit in the Army remains disciplined and fully aligned with the defense priorities of our Republic. And above all, continue to take care of our soldiers. Equipment can be modernized. Tactics can be refined. But it is our people who carry the mission, who hold the line, and who give meaning to every gain we make as a force. To the men and women of the Philippine Army, whether you are defending our territory, securing our communities, or responding to disasters, the nation continues to depend on your readiness and on your courage. The Filipino people look to you in moments of danger and uncertainty. Carry out your mission with discipline, with restraint, and with compassion. Let your conduct preserve the people's trust, and let love of country give purpose to every sacrifice that you make.